We live, unfortunately, in a landfill economy. Most modern tech, from your smart toaster to your router, is designed with a finite, sometimes laughably short, lifespan. It is engineered to fail, to be replaced, to cycle you through a continuous, low-grade subscription to mediocrity. But then there is the Orion Standard, a level of engineering integrity that simply refuses to participate in planned obsolescence. It is about a different kind of investment, one that understands the profound cost of inefficiency, even in the most mundane aspects of a high-performing professional's life. Today we are discussing a piece of residential infrastructure that meets that standard. The Giraffe Tools Retractable Garden Hose Reel, 1/2 inch by 130 feet. Consider the true cost of a tool that fails. Imagine, if you will, the hushed tension of a midtown Manhattan boardroom, or the polished severity of a Canary Wharf executive suite. A critical presentation, weeks in the making, hangs in the balance. The projector glitches. The Wi-Fi drops. The digital display flickers into darkness. That cold silence, that visceral moment of dread, is the reputational tax levied by inferior equipment. Now, apply that same principle to the frustration of a household chore. A cheap garden hose kinks, jams, or bursts. You spend 15 minutes wrestling with it, another 10 cleaning up the mess. Those lost minutes, that spiked cortisol, that eroded mental bandwidth, they do not stay confined to your garden. They bleed into your day, subtly eroding your focus, dulling the edge of your professional acumen. A global professional starting their day in a London home office and ending it preparing for a flight to New York or Toronto cannot afford that psychological leakage. This is where the ROI math becomes brutally clear. If a superior tool like this Giraffe Reel saves you even a conservative 15 minutes of frustration and troubleshooting per week, you are looking at 1 hour a month. Over a year, that is 12 hours. For professionals billing north of a few $100s an hour in San Francisco, or the financial districts of London, that is an opportunity cost of several $1,000s. This is not merely a garden hose reel. It is a strategic acquisition designed to prevent financial hemorrhage through saved time and preserved mental capital. Let us look at the physicality. This is not a flimsy plastic toy. The core mechanism is housed in an industrial-grade chassis, constructed from high-density polymers, engineered for relentless outdoor duty. Its 130-foot hybrid hose has been tested to 200 psi pressure, with a 600 psi bursting pressure. The internal retractable and guide systems operate with a precision that speaks to genuine engineering, minimizing kinking and ensuring a smooth, predictable retraction every single time. The wall-mounted bracket allows for a 180-degree swivel, CNC machined components, ensuring fluid, unwavering movement under load. This is over-engineered, not for show, but for the rigorous, repeated cycles of real-world use, managing component integrity against the elements. Now, for the professional-only quirk, this reel is frankly heavy. It is not something a casual user will want to wrestle with, but that weight, that perceived bulk, it is a testament to its robust internal mechanisms and its sturdy mounting system. It is the structural integrity that prevents your investment from warping, twisting, or failing under the strain of heavy use or sustained sun exposure. It is the very opposite of the landfill economy. The global supply chain, particularly heading into 2026, remains highly volatile. Prices at major regional hubs across the US, UK, and Canada are shifting daily. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.